County in southwestern Indiana, northeastern Spencer County in southwestern Indiana, until 3 p.m. At 2:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Santa Claus, or 21 miles northeast of Rockport, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dale, Santa Claus, and Gentryville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Spencer and Warwick.
Right there outside. Hello, bug.